guys, so today I'm really excited to film this video. Today I have partnered up with temporarytattoos.com and I'm gonna be showing you some of their tattoos. Basically, they do temporary tattoos. So I'm one of those people who really wants tattoos but it's too much of a pussy to actually go and get a tattoo. So temporary tattoos is like the next best thing. Kind of like when you was like 9 and you was at a school disco and you was like, there was like a little section where you could go and get temporary tattoos of like a butterfly or like a flower. This is a US based company, so products are in dollars and cents. The cheapest tattoo starts off at 69 cents and then it goes up to I think about $5. But yeah, I'm really excited. I haven't even opened this yet, so I'm gonna open it. I'm gonna look at them. I'm really excited. Let's go. Oh, that's lots. I'm so excited. Oh my god, I'm like a little kid. So here are all of the tattoos. Oh my god, there's lots. They have sent me lots. I mean, the first one's speaking to me on my Tumblr girl levels. Let's have a little look and see what they have included. Oh my gosh. I love these ones. These planet ones. Oh my god, I'm so excited. I need to calm down. I actually need to chill. I think I'm going to apply this one because I think it's really cute. I'm obviously going to show you how well they apply to the skin and stuff. So they do have instructions on the back on exactly how to do them. Anyway, let's go ahead and apply this alien because I'm excited. Let's go. Remove clear protective top sheet, which is the sheet obviously on top. Then it says press tattoo firmly onto clean, dry skin with design facing down. Hold the wet cloth against the back of the tattoo. Press down and make sure to wet it thoroughly. Wait 30 seconds and don't hurry. Peel off the backing. Gently rinse the image with water for the best effect. And then it says to remove, saturate the tattoo with rubbing alcohol or baby oil. Wait 10 seconds, then rub away with cotton wool or lift tattoo from dry skin using several pieces of transparent household tape. Although I said earlier that these tattoos were like the ones from school discos, these are supposed to last longer than that. I'm not sure exactly how long they are supposed to last. I'll put it like on the side. Okay, so I just went ahead and rinsed it under the water like it said, and I sort of like pat it because I was worried if I like rubbed it that it would just come off. But I don't know if you can see, but I'm like rubbing and I can't feel like the texture of the tattoo at all. Like it doesn't feel like I've got something on my skin. I like it a lot. Okay, so overall I am very, very happy with the tattoos. I think they are so cute, and honestly I think this is such a good idea. Like, I thought that temporary tattoos were literally just for school discos, but I mean they're obviously not, because these designs are really pretty and they have some really nice designs that I honestly think are really trendy. So yeah, overall I would really recommend this brand, and I'm not just saying that because I am in collaboration with them. I'm genuinely saying that I think this company is great, and for the price that you're paying for the tattoos, it's like hardly anything. They also have a really cool section which is where they do custom tattoos, so you can create your own design and then they will basically make a tattoo transfer for you, which I think is so cool. So these tattoos can last up to 3 days, but depending on the placement of where you put them, they can last up to 5 days. Obviously if you're going to put it in a place where it's going to have like a lot of rubbing going on, maybe don't put it there. So obviously I have a discount code for you guys because this is again a collaboration. So my promo code is BUB15. I'll put it in the description along with all of their details. If you do decide to use this code, then you will get 15% off your entire order, which is great because these tattoos are cheap as heck. Anyway, you'll also get free shipping if the order is over $10, and then international shipping is over $40. So my promo code is available until the 31st of this month. I'm so happy right now. Look at this cute little tattoo. Look at this cute little tattoo. I'm so happy. So if you would like to see some cool photos of these tattoos, then you can follow my Instagram. Also, don't forget to follow Temporary Tattoos on Instagram. I'm so happy to be working with such a nice company, honestly. What a great start to 2018. So thank you so much for watching the video, guys. All of the details will be linked in the description. I really hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I hope you have a great day with whatever you're doing. Bye!